Hey there, guys. Chet here. You do not need to do complicated math to track your international sales. Pipedrive allows you to easily switch between different global currencies for your deals. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your currency settings in just a few clicks. Now, you will need a Pipedrive account to follow along. If you have not set one up yet, I have a special link down there in the description. If you click on that link, you will receive a 30-day free trial with all of the features unlocked instead of the standard 14 days. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, the discount will be applied automatically when you sign up through my link, which means you'll be using that same powerful pipe drive as everyone else, but you're going to pay less. By the way, if you want to master this tool completely, we've also put together a full pipe drive course from A to Z that walks you through everything step by step, and it's totally free. Now, to begin, log into your Pipedrive account. There are two important types of currencies you need to understand inside the system. First of all, there is the default currency for your organization. This is the main currency in which all of your deals are summarized and calculated in the pipeline view. Having a single default currency is absolutely essential for your financial reporting. It also allows you to look at your entire pipeline and instantly know exactly how much revenue you are projected to close this month. However, even if you set one default currency, you can still use multiple currencies within individual deals. For example, you might sell to clients in the UK using Great British pounds or Great Britain pounds. In the European Union, you might be using the euro, or in other countries using their local currencies. This flexibility is incredible for global sales teams. Now, it means that you can send proposals and quotes to your prospects in the exact currency they're comfortable paying in. This removes a massive amount of friction from the buying process. Despite this, the total summary at the top of your pipeline will always be displayed in your selected default currency because Pipedrive automatically converts the values in the background. This is a massive time saver and means that you never have to pull up a calculator to check daily exchange rates just to understand the true value of your active deals. The software handles all of the heavy lifting for you automatically. Now, if you want to change the default currency, navigate to the upper right corner and click on your avatar profile. After doing so, a drop down list will appear with different options like personal preferences, company settings, manage users, and others. Select personal preferences from the drop down list. This specific menu allows you to customize how the CRM functions for your own individual login. It's great because your settings do not necessarily have to disrupt what the rest of your team sees. Inside of personal preferences, you will see the current default currency at the bottom of the general section that is set for your account. Click on the default currency dropdown and then just choose a different currency from the dropdown list. For example, US dollar. You can pick whichever currency perfectly aligns with your local bank account or your primary accounting software. After selecting the new currency, scroll down to the bottom and click the Save button because the change will not apply unless you save it. In most cases, the change works immediately. However, if you do not see the update right away, refresh your browser to ensure the new currency appears in your deals view. Now, to change the currency of an individual deal, click on the Deals tab and open the specific deal you want to modify. Under the Value section, hover over the deal's value until a pencil icon appears. Click the icon, and a drop down list of all available currencies will be displayed. You can now manually select a different currency from the list. And then similarly, you can change and set different currencies for each and every deal. This feature is incredibly useful if you run an agency or a consulting business that takes on custom projects from international buyers. Even after changing individual deal currencies, the overall pipeline total will still be calculated and shown in the default currency you selected earlier. This keeps your high level view completely organized. Now, if you feel overwhelmed by the long list of available currencies, remember that Pipedrive includes around 150 to 180 currencies by default. While it is great that they offer so many global options, scrolling through a massive list every single time you add a new deal can become very annoying for your sales reps. It slows down their daily workflow. So to reduce this list, click your avatar profile again in the upper right corner. But this time, select the company settings from the drop-down menu instead of personal preferences. This company settings area controls the global rules for your entire workspace rather than just your personal view. After clicking, the company settings page will open, and then you will see tabs like General, Activities, Currencies, Lost Reasons, and Labels right there at the top. Navigate to Currencies and then click on it. This is where you see all active and deactivated currencies. This page acts as your master control center for international money management inside the platform. To clean up the list quickly, click on the three dots on the right side and select Deactivate All Unused Currencies. This action will temporarily deactivate every currency that is not currently attached to any deal in your pipelines. It is a fantastic admin shortcut to instantly declutter your workspace without having to delete anything permanently. Then go back to the deals, open a specific deal, and you will notice at the top left bar that now only the active currencies are displayed. After confirming, you will only see the currencies that are actively used in your deals. This makes selecting the right currency so much faster for your sales team when they are working fast to close a contract. Finally, if you ever need to use a previously deactivated currency again, you can just return to company settings and reactivate it at any time. Just like that, your currency settings are fully optimized for global sales. You can now track international deals accurately without even leaving your CRM. This simple process will save you a ton of time. And then also don't forget to check that special link in the description to get your 30-day extended free trial of Pipedrive. It's the only way to get a full month instead of the 14 days for free. And if you want to be a true Pipedrive expert, also make sure to grab that free A to Z Pipedrive course while you're there. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.